Sino yung walang number? Gracious. Good evening. Hello. Uy, Gracious. Kilala kita eh. Email my love. Okay na 15. Sino yung walang number? Uy, Alfie. Sulat ko mo lang. Wait on him. We have last game 1.
Yeah.
Wait.
Me. I don't have anything left.
You want? It's your last.
You.
It's me.
It's you.
You want more? You have
I
many
don't.
items there.
If it's you, I want more.
I love you.
I love you too.
Booger. Mike is my booger. 29. After 29, noted. Sino? Ako po. Sure, Gracious. Gracious, gusto mo ng number? Sino gusto ng number? Type me. Christian. Kimbang? 99 ka, Christian Kimbao. 99. Sino yung si Annalyn? So, sa 25 to Gcash address. Annalyn. Sis, Annalyn. Buti nakapasok ka, sis. Gapa. 100 ka, gwapa. 100. So, wala kayong ibang pupuntahan. Pasok lang at mag-share. Tapos, bunot na diretso sa 25. Next. Gracious. Miss Gracious, ito yung diba, sumali sa singing. Gracious. 101 ka, sis. 101. Ano po number? 101 ka. Email Marila. Mag-change lang ako ng number sa next year. Email Marila. 102. 102 ka, email. 102. 99. Okay na. 99. 100. 101. 102. Okay. Type game 10. Yan yung number niyo pag nabunot ka na. Alam. Yan. Type game 10. You know this one, the last one, huh?
I know what it is. I win.
Okay, start. What's inside my bag? Magaan man siya. Magnet, KV, 7 years, okay na 97. Nag-present ako mamaya.
Annalyn got it. Annalyn
Oh,
got it.
Annalyn. Yes, Annalyn. Oh, very fast, huh? Stop na.
That's awesome. That puts us a little over an hour, so that's cool.
Yeah, 1 hour. So, bukas ulit daw, guys. Bukas. So, it's a glove.